Hey guys, welcome back for another episode of Tech News. My name is Gaurav, and before we start today's episode, please make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video. And now, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Realme C11 is all set to make its debut very soon. It is said that it is going to be powered by a MediaTek Helio G35 SoC, and it is going to be announced in Malaysia first. Since the Realme C11 is a brand new phone, there is very little known about this phone apart from what the Realme teased in Malaysia. The phone was already spotted in Thailand's NBTC listings website that also tipped nothing about the phone. According to a report by a Thailand journalist, the Realme C11 is going to be coming with a MediaTek Helio G35 SoC, but since that MediaTek Helio G35 SoC is still unannounced, unreleased, we are not quite certain about this report. Additionally, the journalist claims that the Realme C11 is going to be coming with a 5000 mAh battery and is going to be supporting 10 watts charging based on the China quality certification listings. Meanwhile, Realme is getting ready to unveil two smartphones and a pair of earbuds in India on June 25th. The Chinese smartphone company is going to be launching Realme X3, Realme X3 Super Zoom, and Realme Buds Q. Apart from the Realme X3 Super Zoom, the other two devices are yet to make their debut anywhere in the world. It is possible that the Realme C11 is going to be joining the X3 series while unveiling on the June 25th. The Samsung Galaxy M01s and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 were reportedly spotted in the Bureau of Indian Standards BIS listings, suggesting that the smartphone and the smartwatch may be launching in India very soon. While the Galaxy Watch 3 was expected to be launching in India on the rumored launch of August 5th, but what comes as a surprise is the M01s, because M01 was recently launched in India earlier this month, just this month, and this is now the M01s has now been reportedly spotted. The listings for the smartphone come with a model number of SM M017D/DS and does not provide any information about this smartphone. However, the same model number was spotted on the Wi-Fi Alliance website and Geekbench certification website. If you see in the Wi-Fi Alliance website, the smartphone with the same model number, you will be getting it is going to be supporting a Wi-Fi B/G/N and is going to be coming with an Android 9 version. And now looking at the Geekbench certification page, now Android 9 was common in this page, but it gave out more about this phone, that is a 3 GB of RAM, a MediaTek Helio P22 SoC, along with 747 and 3416 as a scores of single core and a multi-core respectively. To recall the recently launched M01, it is powered by a Snapdragon 439 chipset and has a 3 GB of RAM and starts with Android 10. It is surprising to see that the rumored M01s is going to be coming with Android 9 as standard. Coming to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, three models have been listed in the BIS, that is the Bureau of Indian Standards website, and the model number is SMR845F, SMR850F, and then SMR855. We already know that there are going to be two variants of this Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, that is the 41mm version and the 45mm version, and both of these versions are going to be coming with LTE support and non-LTE support models. While the BIS listing does not reveal any more information about the smartwatch, it is rumored that it will be launched in India very soon. So for the final news we have is about the Note 20 of Samsung. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series is rumored to be launching in India pretty soon, that is in the month of August. A tipster has claimed that this ultra variant of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 is going to be coming with LTPO OLED display with 120Hz of refresh rate and is going to be having a QHD plus resolution. It is also tipped to come with new camera features, functions, and a new S Pen. According to the tipster, the Note 20 is going to be compared with the Note 10 Plus and the bezels on both sides of the phone has been narrowed down by 0.24 millimeters. The forehead and chin of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 are trimmed down by 0.4 millimeters. This was shared on a Twitter post, and according to this post, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 is going to be coming with a Snapdragon 865 plus SoC, which is unannounced. Previous reports indicate that the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 is going to be coming in three variants, that is the Galaxy Note 20, the Galaxy Note 20 Plus, and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which is new. It is also reported that the Galaxy Note 20 series is going to be coming in 4 different colors, that is black, copper, white or grey, and mint green. And all the 3 variants of this phone, that is Note 20, Note 20 Plus, and the Note 20 Ultra, are going to be having differences in camera and battery. Samsung will likely unveil the next generation of the Samsung Galaxy Flip, that is the Samsung Galaxy Flip 2, alongside the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip of the 5G version, and is going to be adding the Note 20 series as well on the launch of August 5th in an online event. So this has been today's news. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new around here, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.